Alright, you guys, here's the cooked down gravy. It's so delicious looking. I think there's 50 carbs in this entire pot of gravy, according to the measurements. And so you would have to sit down and eat the whole pot of gravy just to get 50 carbs. So this is going to be a nice little, obviously you wouldn't want to have this in the morning and break your fast, but you definitely could have this as a meal, which is what we're going to do, is have keto biscuits, gravy, scrambled eggs. Very, very delicious. So you would just lower that heat to low to keep it going. Oh, there's probably just a few more grams too, because the cream cheese has a little bit of carbs in it as well. So just don't eat the whole pot. That's what I'm saying. Just don't eat the whole pot of gravy. I know it's going to be hard to refrain from doing that, but yeah. Doesn't that look good? Alright, I'll snap some pictures of our finished product and share it with y'all soon. Enjoy! Biscuits and gravy, keto, Mama Lori style. Love y'all. Bye.